The Nita woman says after 3 years, the man accused of trying to video her while she was naked in her home is finally going through the court process. Now, we first told you about this case back in July. It's been affected by multiple Supreme Court decisions. Fox 23's John Acebus is live. And John, walk us through this process. What's the latest?
Sarah, first of all, the disturbing part about this is they were neighbors for years. She even said they were really good friends. What happened was he was accused of this crime back in 2019, and it was eventually filed. But 2 years later, because of the McGirt ruling, this case got dismissed because the Supreme Court ruled that the state did not have jurisdiction over that case. So basically, Toby Monroe walked free. Just a couple of weeks ago, it was once again refiled because of the Castro Huerta ruling, once again giving the state jurisdiction over this case. Toby Monroe was actually rearrested. These are things that Crystal Jensen never thought would happen.
This is what it looks like to have your case dismissed. A simple document like this one, dated November 8th, 2021. The day Crystal Jensen says she learned what the impact of the McGirt ruling could do.
My first thoughts were that there won't be any justice.
Back on March 27th, 2019, Jensen told police, according to this affidavit, that while showering, she saw out of the corner of her eye a rectangular object. When she got a towel and ran to the window, she says she saw her neighbor Toby Monroe standing behind a tree.
They were very good friends of ours.
And she says they even had dinner the night before. The original arrest affidavit says she told police he eventually admitted to watching her with his phone outside.
I'm a lot more conscientious. We have cameras around our house now. We never had that before. And I'm a little more suspicious than I used to be.
That's what Crystal says she learned from that day, but she never thought the day would come where she says he would actually stand in front of a judge again.
It makes you feel like they're just getting away with a crime.
Fast forward to late June of 2022, when the Supreme Court ruled that the state could once again prosecute non-tribal members committing crimes against tribal members on tribal land. And on September 16th, her case was refiled. Then September 20th, court documents say the man was arrested once again. Jensen could not believe it.
Because so much time had gone by, it had been like 3 years. And I thought they're probably going to have a backlog of cases, and because of COVID and things like that, that they may or may not really get back to it.
In Rogers County alone, the district attorney says they've already refiled more than 20 cases like Jensen's and plan to refile more.
Toby Monroe has entered a not guilty plea on a felony loitering with intent to watch charge. Covering news that matters, I'm John Acebus, Fox 23 News.